Unlock the power of instant communication in your Node.js applications by sending SMS messages with Nexmo. First, you'll need to create a Nexmo account and locate your API key, and secret these credentials are vital for authenticating your application with Nexmo's services. Next, open your Node.js project in your preferred code editor, or IDE. Navigate to your project's terminal or command prompt. Now, we'll install the official Nexmo Node.js library. Execute the command to add the Nexmo package to your project's dependencies. With the library installed, it's time to configure the Nexmo client within your Node.js code. You'll initialize the Nexmo client, passing in your previously obtained API key and secret for secure authentication. The core of sending an SMS involves utilizing the Nexmo client to trigger a send message operation. You'll specify the recipient's phone number, your registered from number or virtual number, and the message content itself. This straightforward process allows you to programmatically send automated messages, perfect for notifications, confirmations, or alerts directly from your Node.js applications. Integrate SMS capabilities seamlessly and enhance user engagement with Nexmo and Node.js.